I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into Paytm, follow these simple steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Paytm app. Outdated apps can lead to login problems. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Clear out cache. If the app is still not working, try clearing the cache. Go to your device settings, find the Paytm app and select Clear Cache. This can resolve temporary issues. No, sometimes clearing the cache can lock you out of other accounts, so be prepared to log back in. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Paytm's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.